Okay, so for Tuesday naman, yun nga, as I've mentioned earlier, wala tayong specific na posting but yung ating GX. So actually, same procedure lang din to noong sa Monday, which is yung posting ng video. So, yun. And then moving on sa Wednesday natin, ito yung member transformation. So member transformation highlights our members' efforts and their transformation journey, whether it's for weight loss, muscle gain, body toning, and etc. So yun, step 1, you may try approaching a member that has shown incredible progress in terms of their transformation goals as subject. Or coordinate with PTs if they have a client who's willing to share their transformation journey. So yung network natin and yung connection or yung relationship natin with our members is important din kasi ayun, pwede natin silang gawing instrument ng pagpo-promote ng ating, of course, yung kung ano yung kaya nating i-offer. Yun, so very important na yung ating mga PTs, meron silang mga clients or members na pwede nilang i-push or mga clients na yun nga, merong transformation goal na yun, pwede nating magamit. So yun, ito yung previous layout and then this is the new one naman. And then nandito na din naman yung link ng worksheet kung saan natin i-edit. Yan pala, before that, kailangan of course natin ng before and after na picture ng ating member na i-attach natin dito. So yan, ito lang naman yun. Yung pinakita ko kanina na before and after. For example, ayan. So, i-attach lang natin sa before, and then sa after, and then ida-download natin. Tapos, ayun, same, dito, same process din nung sa kanina. For example, ayan, download natin to. And then, yun nga, click the Wednesday column. Yan, anywhere din or ito nga yung schedule post na button. Tapos, again, make sure na for 6 p.m. yung ating schedule. And then, add photo. Attach natin yung photo. So, ayan. Tapos, yan, ganun din. Lagyan lang din natin ng caption. For example, copy ko na lang muna to. Ayan, wait lang. Yan, from perseverance to progress, witness the incredible transformation journey at Anytime Fitness. Oops. Jejemon. So, yan. And then, attach lang uli natin yung ating contact information and link as well as yung mga hashtags. Yan. So, yan. Meron tayong picture, may caption, yung contact information, yung hashtag. And then, double check yung date for 6 p.m. Wednesday. Naka-share sa story, in public, and then schedule. So, yan. Naka-schedule na din siya for Wednesday next week.